In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Salesforce object list view into a CSV file. This is a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes, perfect for anyone looking to organize data outside the Salesforce platform for analysis or reporting. Let's dive right in and make this as simple as possible. First, you'll need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. We're starting here because the tool we need is a helpful Chrome extension called Salesforce Inspector. It's a lightweight but powerful tool that makes the data export process smooth and intuitive. So go ahead and download the Salesforce Inspector extension. Once you have it installed, a quick tip, pin this extension to your Chrome toolbar. Pinning it will save you time later on, ensuring that it's easily accessible for the next steps. Once you have Salesforce Inspector set up, go ahead and log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Make sure you have the appropriate permissions to access the data you want to export. It's always important to check that your login credentials have the necessary rights to perform data exports. After logging in, you'll need to open the list view of the specific Salesforce object you want to export. This could be anything like accounts, contacts, or any other object your organization uses. The list view is where you see all the records in a tabular format, making it perfect for exporting into a CSV file. Now glance at the top right corner of your browser and click on the Salesforce Inspector icon that we pinned earlier. This will open a drop-down menu. Look for the Data Export option and select it. What this does is it allows the Salesforce Inspector to begin the process of collecting the data from your list view for export. Next, pay attention to the export interface that appears. You'll see options for how you want your data presented. Once you've configured any specific settings to your liking, go ahead and run the export. The system will process your request, and this might take a few moments depending on how much data you're working with. When the export is complete, look beside the export results section. You'll find a button labeled Copy CSV. Clicking this button doesn't immediately download a file, but copies the data to your clipboard in a CSV format, which you can paste into a spreadsheet application, like Excel or Google Sheets. This allows you to easily manipulate the data or share it with others who may not have access to Salesforce. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Salesforce object list view into a CSV file. With these steps, managing and sharing your Salesforce data should now be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.